Hey guys, I'm Eric with Express Garage Doors, and today I'm going to show you how to pick the right garage door rollers for you. So these might look pretty simple. They are simple. There's a couple different things you need to consider when you're replacing these, and they can make a difference in how loud and how long your garage door runs efficiently. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to determine your roller size. So there's two different parts that you're going to measure on this. The first one's the wheel. It's this piece right here. All you do to measure it is take your tape measure, run it across the face of the wheel. This is a 2-inch wheel roller. This is all we carry. This is going to be 99% of your residential stuff. The next piece you're going to measure is the stem of the roller. This is the stem, the long piece. This is a 4-inch stem roller. I don't know if you can see that very well. We carry 4, 7, and 9-inch. So this is a 9-inch stem roller. You guys see how we measure that? All you got to do is go on our website and measure your roller, pick which size it is, and then you pick the material. So we've got a couple different options as far as material goes. This is going to be the cheapest. Nylon bushing. So there's no bearings in this roller. It's just a bushing. It's going to be quieter than your steel, even with a bearing roller, but this will wear faster. Kind of depends on how high use your door is. If you're like me and your door opens 4 times a day, leave the house to go to work, leave the house to go to the gym, close the door. You know, every time you go out, you're opening and closing the door twice. So think about that when you're picking these. The next option is going to be the steel. It's going to be louder. It's not going to be as quiet as the nylon. This thing will last forever. There's a bunch of ball bearings inside of this. We do have a couple different options on the numbers of ball bearings. We have a couple different options as far as how many ball bearings are inside each roller. And then we've got your nylon with ball bearings. So you can see the ball bearings in this one a little more clearly. This is the top of the line roller. If I were going to put it on my door, if I was going to go to the trouble of replacing rollers, I would do these nylon ones. They'll be a little quieter. They'll last just about as long as a steel. And, you know, I don't want to hear the clanging of the steel on the steel track. Why replace all your rollers at once? If one of these fails, if you have a bushing, most doors will come with the cheapest rollers you can buy, which will be some variation of a nylon bushing roller. These things will wear out. If you didn't hit the door or there isn't some abnormal type of wear to the door, then most of your rollers, just like springs, are going to fail at the same time. So they may be a couple months or a year apart. But again, if you're going to go through the trouble, especially if you have to do it to the bottom section, where when you replace those rollers, you have to let the spring tension out to be safe. You don't want to do it twice. So just knock it all out at once. They're not very expensive to buy. How many you need? 10, 12. And just get it all done at the same time. If you need rollers, go to our website, expressgaragedoors.com. and check us out. We will get that order out the same business day. And take care, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks.